Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI Redmi K70 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both smartphones to get free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then to use it, you need to choose the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of XIAOMI. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on XIAOMI, thanks to all of those categories at the top, you can select multiple files to transfer. I will only go with a couple of them just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive button. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad and click on while using the app in the pop-up. Finally, you can point your Android camera at the code and wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!